You can also use shapes for inserting the text. Select a shape of your choice. Drag the selected shape according to your need. Now right-click on the drawing objects and select the Add Text option from the shortcut menu. The insertion point appears in the box. Now you can type the text.
Before we move further, can you differentiate between Shape Fill tool versus Shape Outline tool? Alright students, let us now learn how to use drawing tools.
All the drawing features are present in the Shapes drop-down menu. Let us use our creativity to make a hut. Select the Line tool and draw the outline of hut. Hold down the Shift key and select the outline of hut. Click on the Shape Outline drop-down list. In the Shape Styles group, on the Format tab, select Weight option and click on 3-point line. To draw a door, select the Rectangle tool and drag inside the hut. Click on the Shape Fill tool in the Shape Styles group on the Format tab and fill any color of your choice. Now change the line color by selecting the Shape Outline tool. Select the Oval tool and draw a window in a hut. To duplicate the drawing objects, you can use Ctrl+C for copying and Ctrl+V for pasting the objects. To make clouds, click on Callouts option in Shapes list and select Cloud Callout. Now drag the shape. Fill gray color inside it. To display rain shower, draw a line, then select the Dashes option from the Shape Outline tool on the Format tab. Select the square dots and observe its effect. To repeat the lines, press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Type the text Beautiful Hut and select it. Change the text color by selecting the Font Color tool in the Font group on the Home tab.
Now we will discuss how to insert clip art.
Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly in a document. Place the cursor where you want to insert a picture. Click on Clip Art button in the Illustrations group on the Insert tab. The Clip Art task pane is displayed on the right of the window. Type the desired keyword in the Search For text box that is related to the image you wish to insert. For example, computer, and click on Go button. It will display all the clip art images related to computer. View the various clip art images using vertical scroll bar and click on the desired clip art image to insert.
Let's now learn about inserting symbols and special characters.
Symbols and special characters are punctuation, spacing, or typographical characters that are not generally available on the standard keyboard. They can be inserted from the Symbol dialog box. To insert symbols and special characters in a document, follow the steps. Place the cursor at the position where you want to insert a symbol. Click on the Symbol button in the Symbols group on the Insert tab. Select More Symbols option. The Symbol dialog box appears. Select the Symbols tab if it is not selected. Select the font of your choice from the drop-down list. Examples: Wingdings. Choose the symbol and click on the Insert button. Click on Close button to close the box.
Alright, now I